How to change App Store country region to United Kingdom. Want to access UK apps or content not available in your country? In this video, I'll show you how to change your App Store country or region to the United Kingdom, step by step. So let's get started. First, open settings on your phone. Simply tap on your Apple ID at the top. Go to Media and Purchases. Tap on View Account. Next, tap Country and Region, and then simply tap on Change Country or Region, and you'll find various options over here. You'll need to search for United Kingdom. Tap on it. Here, click on Continue. Now simply tap on Agree to accept the terms and condition. Now all you need to do is simply enter your payment method. If you don't have it, all you need to do is simply add the billing address. If you don't have a UK billing info, you can simply write for a certain by simply searching for some which must be valid UK address. And once you've done that, simply tap on Done. Now your App Store is switched to United Kingdom. You'll now see UK exclusive apps, pricing and content. And that's it. You've successfully changed your App Store region to UK. You're now ready to download UK specific apps or games.